Catamine's coming at you. Got a pair of these cement 4s. They've been brought to me today to do a little work. Nothing major, something simple. As you see on the toe box, a little few scuffs, scratches that need to be fixed. Same on the other toe box. And I don't know if you can see it on the camera. The patches on the tongue is a little dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and deep clean those as well. Get those back white, get them back right. Check the rest of the shoe. Any more spots? I already checked it. I didn't really see any on the inside right there, of course. But as I said, mainly that toe box is what needs to be done. Do a little cleaning on that, get some marks off. Those aren't nothing major. Right there, a little spot. But yeah, toe box touch up. I'll be back with the final results. Jordan Cement 4s complete. Cleaned the patch on the tongue. Back icy white. Had a bunch of scrapes and scuffs on the toe box. I fixed that up. Also in the back, we had a few scrapes as well that I fixed, but can't notice it because I fixed it. So something short and simple. Came out pretty good. Also did a cleaning on them as well. That always helps before you paint them. Finished product, cement 4s, Jordan patches iced up. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.